Wait till you see our newest listing. 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. All the rooms are spacious, decorated, super cute. Check out the openness of this room. It is awesome. The appliances have all been redone. It has a fireplace. The pride of ownership really shows in this unit. It has never been rented, and it is super clean and ready to move into. The owner's suite is super spacious. It has a walk-in closet and peeks at the ocean on the balcony. Check out the balcony. How many condo buildings actually have their own bike room? This is really cool that they offer this here.